right, what up, what up, what up? It's your boy, boss up, baby. We're back with a great video. Okay, so this is Material Drop website. Now, it's best to download the app straight off the bat, but you can come to the website, come to Drive, just like here, and sign up. Now, I spoke with one of the manager partners with this app company, and they are only in 3 states right now: New York, California, and I believe like New Jersey, places like that right now. But they are expanding to other cities, and they're specifically looking for pickup trucks and cargo vans. They do have some smaller stuff, but they're really pushing hiring for cargo van and pickup trucks. Now, they are expanding, and they're looking to come to the Georgia market and some Florida market, some other markets. So go ahead, get your application in, download the app, and just put on the waiting list until this opens up in your area. But like I said, you're pretty much working with construction equipment, paints, building materials, moving it here and there. Why it's called Material Drop. So like I said, they're looking for cargo vans, box trucks, and pickup trucks, and any vehicle with a trailer that you can haul stuff in. Material Drop is a great site for you. Boss up, jump on it, get on it. Don't hesitate. Don't delay your inevitable dreams of getting out the 9 to 5 rat race. We about that. All right, we gone.